I've had numerous requests for this, and we have it. So what we've done is shears are so beautiful for holiday time. They're good all year round, but they're so beautiful. But what you have to have is this great, this natural nude fabric behind it. It doesn't have to necessarily match your skin, but it's got to be, and I'll show you here in a minute, it's got to be a knit that can really be flexible. So you make a tank top out of this, and then you put it underneath the sheer. And as you can see, you don't see the color underneath, but you don't see, you just don't see the body underneath. So these are all going to be $12.99. The shears and the base, I did a black base, so you could do a pant. I'll show you in a minute. And then the knit. So these are stretch in both directions. These are mostly cotton. They've got a little bit of poly in them, but they're beautiful. The drape is beautiful on them, and they are meant to go underneath that garment so that you can't see through like you could originally. So this is the first color, and then I have a cotton poly. This is a classic herringbone. It's all over for the holidays. You can put a little red with it or not, but it's just really, really beautiful. And then what I did is I put this, and this is a woven. This is a cotton poly woven. Then I put this black in here because this is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. It's just a great drape. It's beautiful for the base pant. You could either do a slack or you could do a pull-on cargo. It wouldn't even matter. It just works for so many different fabrics. And again, it's a stretch woven, 100% cotton. And again, these are all $12.99. They're beautiful. But I can take a sheer like this, and you can see through it quite easily, and then put it over. And again, it doesn't really matter the color as long as it's close to a neutral. And you can see how it just pulls out the colors of the sheer as opposed to being able to see through it. So it's just a really great trick. This is a cotton poly also, woven, and I just love the prints. So I picked out some prints that I just thought were really pretty. Cotton poly also, and again, beautiful print. And then the last one is our cotton poly, mostly cotton again, stretch in both directions, flesh. And so this is a little pinker, this is a little more yellow, but again, it just doesn't make that much difference as long as you have something behind it. So the goal is all $12.99 today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.